Welcome back. In this video, I will be covering addition and subtraction of complex numbers. In the previous video, I explained what complex number means. In fact, I told you that if you have square root of -1 and the same thing as I, so which implies that your I square is equal to -1. But today I'm going to teach you how you can add and subtract in complex number. Addition and subtraction in complex number is very close to what you do in whole number, but the difference between addition and subtraction of complex number is that you are going to make sure that if you are adding two complex number together, say, then you must combine the real part with the real part, imaginary with the imaginary. You know, when you are performing addition operation on real number, it is very simple. You can just add them together. But for complex number, we are going to combine real with real, imaginary with imaginary. Let me give you an example to back it up. Example, simplify the following. Number 1, I have 4 plus 5i plus 3 minus 2i. Number 2, 4 minus 7i minus 2 minus 5i. Number 3, 5 plus 7i plus 3 minus 4i minus 6 minus 3i. And lastly, 3 plus 5i minus 5 minus 4i minus into minus 2 minus 3i. Solution. Like I've explained earlier that addition and subtraction in complex number is very related to addition and subtraction of real numbers. But the difference between the two is that when you are adding or subtracting in complex numbers, you must be careful. You have to combine real part with the real part, imaginary with the imaginary. Example number 1, I have 4 plus 5i plus 3 minus 2i. Don't forget, your real part here is 4. This real part here is 3. This is the imaginary part and this is the imaginary part. Then if you open the bracket, I can have 4 plus 5i plus 3 plus 2i. After that, then you are going to collect the like times the real with real. Don't forget, imaginary with imaginary. And this is going to give me 7 plus 7i. And that's that. You can see it is very simple, isn't it? Yeah, very simple. Okay. Another one, the second question, we have 4 minus 7i minus into 2 minus 5i. You can open the bracket. I'm going to have minus 2 plus 5i. Don't forget the principle of adding in complex number is same thing as that of real number, but you just have to collate the real with real, imaginary with imaginary. So on this one, then you are going to have 4 minus 2, this is the real with real, minus 7i plus 5i. Then you are going to have 2 minus 7 plus 5, that's minus 2i. You can see it is very simple. Just collect the real with real, imaginary with imaginary. So we have 5 plus 7i plus 3 minus 4i minus 6 minus 3i. This is not difficult to do as well, but let us open the bracket. I have 5 plus 7i plus 3 minus 4i. If you open the bracket, don't forget you have to be careful of this minus. And I have minus 6 plus 3i. So at the end of the day, if you collect the like time, don't forget real with real, imaginary with imaginary. Then I'm going to have 5 plus 3 minus 6 plus 7i minus 4i plus 3i. Then this is 8. 8 minus 6, that's 2. Then plus 7i minus 4i, that's 3i plus 3i, that's 6i. You can see it is very simple. And lastly, I have 3 plus 5i minus 5 minus 4i minus into minus 2 minus 3i. Yeah, following the same approach is going to give me, if you open the bracket, 3 plus 5i, 3 plus 5i minus times minus, that's minus 5 plus 4i plus 2 plus 3i. What are you going to do after that? You collate them, real with real, real number with real number. Real number here 3 minus 5 and 2. Imaginary with imaginary, 5i plus 4i plus 3i. Then 3 minus 5 is minus 2, minus 2 plus 2 is 0. You can write 0. 5i plus 4i, that's 9i plus 3i, that's 12i. If you like, you can leave your answer here. Since this is a complex number, our real part here is what, 0, while the imaginary is what, or you can just write 12i. Or the question might ask you, okay, now what is now the real, if this is z now, so the question asks you to find the real part of z, then your answer is going to be 0. So this is how you are going to be adding and subtracting complex number. It is very simple. It is similar to that of real number, but what you have to note in the case of complex number is that when you are adding or subtracting, you have to collate real part with real part, imaginary with imaginary. So please, if you understand this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so. Like and share with your colleagues too. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.